Namaste everyone, Sahil this side. Welcome you all my YouTube channel Virsa Yoga. This is the fourth part of arm balance series. In first part I taught you how to place the palm, in second how to increase the strength, third we worked on how to activate the core during the arm balance, and this is the fourth part. In this video I will teach you how to raise the leg up of the floor, okay, but not completely into handstand, the preparatory practices. So how to activate the core while raising the leg. Now observe this. So we will start with the first practice. In this you need to stand and you need to bend forward nicely. You can also bend your legs if your hamstrings are tight, so no problem. Now from here you need to place your palm down on the floor. Nicely remember how to place the palm, fingers open, arm rotation, and here also one more thing that I want to teach you. You need to learn how to compress. When you compress, your fingers will become like this, okay? So you need to press as much as you can without lifting too much your knuckles. Try to press, so give the compression down. So as much as you will press down, you will keep your arm straight, your body will start coming up, okay? So just remember this point. Now observe, here we need to place the palm close to the leg, arm lock nicely. You can keep your legs wide apart, you can open easily, no problem. Now from here you need to shift your body weight forward. You need to raise your heel and your legs as well. So today we will try to lift the leg by activating the core. Now observe, first we need to shift the body weight and try to lift the body up. Can you see? Nicely. In the beginning it can be a little bit difficult, but try how to practice this. So in the beginning start tapping 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Keep practicing this. This is how you will learn how to activate the core muscle, because I am able to raise my leg because of my core. So I'm pressing this using my entire shoulder, arm muscles, back muscles to lift my body up, including my core muscles. So practice step by step. You can start with single leg. You can also practice this with bent legs. So suppose if your hamstrings are tight, no problem. Still same position, touch your toe here and try to lift. See? So this is how you can practice with bent leg as well. So don't think that my hamstrings are tight, I'm not able to bend, and I cannot learn handstand. Yes, you can learn with bent leg as well. So don't worry, okay? Now with single leg, here you need to place your palm. Try with single leg, lift up without bending your leg. Try. So remember, shoulders will go slightly forward, shift your body weight so your lower body become light and you will become able to lift your body up. So let's start. Now the second practice. Now in the second practice, again we will go in the same position. We will try to place the palm little bit far this time. Alright. Now you will try to shift the body weight. Here we will try only lift the one leg now. You need to engage your core muscles and try to keep your leg close to your belly, close to your chest. Now observe, shifting and lifting. Shift and lift. So see my arms, my fingers is in compression position now. And check my thigh position. My thigh is close to my chest. So practice like this again 5 times, 10 times, 20 times, as much as you can. Do not forget to first prepare your arm. Must watch the first part, how to prepare the fingers, how to prepare the arms, wrists and shoulders, how to open up, and so you get prepared for this practice. Again, let me show you. Now watch in this video. Now the third practice. In this we will try to lift the both leg now. Okay, now observe. Here shifting, lift the both leg. Now shift, lift, lift, down, shift, lift, lift, down. So in the beginning, just try to lift your leg up first. Just lift and come back, lift and come back, lift and come back. Here, don't focus in the third practice to bring your pelvis over your head. Fourth practice, we will try this time to bring the pelvis over the head. So your whole body come in one straight line. But in the beginning, do not hurry to straighten your legs, okay, and to lift the body up. Start like this, start holding this position as longer as you can. Try to look at opposite side, not at front, this side, okay, at the back. So we will try now the next practice. Now in this, again you need to go down, shift your body weight, press your fingers nicely, lift, lift, and lift your pelvis up. Okay, so again observe, press, see my legs are bent, so no problem. Lift, lift, nicely, raise your hip, look at side, and down. Now you can watch again. After these all practices, we need to learn the final step, that how to raise the leg up, okay, from in this position without bending the leg, how we can raise the leg completely straight. Now for this, what we need to do, can practice the pre-practice into headstand. We can adopt headstand position and we will go up and we will bring the leg down. Again and again we will raise the leg and bring the leg down like. Now after all these practices, you need to learn the headstand also. So watch our video. Gurpreet has made the video already how to do the headstand. Watch that part, how to do the headstand, and later on you can practice all arm balance. Okay guys, so practice all these things. In the fifth part, I will teach you some amazing tricks. Okay, so be ready, wait for my fifth part, and I will keep making more and more arm balance series, more and more different parts. In every part I will show you how you can do the handstand with the support of the props, with the support of the wall, with the support of the chair, and if you don't have anything, how you can lift, how you can do the straddle arm balance. All right, so be ready, be with me, watch all the series guys, otherwise you will not understand how to activate different parts. So thank you.